In this video, I'll show you how to connect a printer to your MacBook Neo, how to print using Wi-Fi, and also how to scan documents if your printer has a scanner and get them directly on your MacBook Neo, again, using Wi-Fi or AirPrint. It's the same thing. So step number one is to go on your printer, and depending which model you have, this is an Epson printer over here, and you have to connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as your MacBook Neo is currently connected to. So it's hard for me to explain how it's done because there's like hundreds of printers. Just go on YouTube, and I have made many videos on many different models on how you can do this. On this Epson printer, you need to go over here in Wi-Fi setup, press OK, and connect it again to the same Wi-Fi network. Once this is done, and by the way, you can also connect the printer using a USB cable. If your printer has a USB port in the back, you simply have to connect it right over here. The next step, no matter if you choose to connect it using Wi-Fi or a USB cable, is to go on your Mac on the top left corner and click the Apple logo, then select System Settings. In this menu, you're going to go down, and on the left side, you should see Printers and Scanners has the last option in the left menu. Click on it, and now you have to select on the right side, Add Printer, Scanner, or Fax. Once you click that option, another window will open, and you simply have to select your printer. So these are all the printers connected to the same Wi-Fi network as this MacBook Neo. The printer I'm trying to connect is right over here, the Epson ET2980. Yours will have a different name, obviously. Select it in blue and then click on Add. You don't have to download any drivers. The Mac is able to do it all by itself. And right now, as you see, the printer is now connected, has been added. And it has a green dot simply telling you it's ready to print. To print any documents, well, let me print, let's say, a random thing. Okay, this picture over here could have been a PDF file, could have been absolutely anything. Once you open the document, you're going to go on the top and select File. And then the last option should be Print. From here, make sure that the printer is actually the one you're trying to print from. You're going to have options, and most printers, okay, that's a special trick. If you're printing a picture and you want the best quality, go down, select Media and Quality, and instead of Normal, select Best. Okay, that makes a big difference if you're printing pictures. If you're printing text, okay, a PDF file, you won't notice any difference, but for pictures, yes. I'll leave it to Normal because I don't care, that's just a test page. And at the end, press the Print button. The print will be sent over Wi-Fi, and usually in a few seconds, the printer should receive it and start printing. Okay, perfect. I got my result. If you want to scan a document and get the results on your MacBook Neo, simply take the document, place it on your scanner. And again, depending which printer you have, usually you have to place the page facing down on your scanner, and one of the corners should have an arrow or a symbol. This simply means that you need to align the corner of the page with that corner, that specific corner. Okay, close the lid. And on your Mac, we need to open the Capture app. It comes included with it. You don't have to download anything. To find the Capture app, click on the magnifying glass on the top right corner and simply type Capture. Image Capture, okay, this is the one we need to open. Tap on it. And then on the left side over here, you should see your printer. Tap on your printer, and this will open. Let me make this window slightly bigger. Click on Show Details on the lower right side. Wait a few seconds. It will give you a preview on what's on the scanner. This preview is not saved on your Mac yet. It's just to give you an idea what's there. Next, we have a few different settings you can change. On the right side, first of all, do you want to scan in color or black and white? The resolution. If you're scanning a text file, 200, I think it's a good resolution. It will give you enough details. But if you're scanning a picture, The higher number, the better it is, but it will take a while to scan and the file will be huge on your Mac. Then you have custom size. You can uncheck this and simply select the paper size you have input. In my case, it's a US letter size. I will leave it like that. Orientation, in case this is upside down, well, you can change the orientation. And over here, you can select where do you want the scan to go on your MacBook Neo, in which folder. Let's say I want to on the desktop. Give the scan a new name, so okay, type whatever. The format you want this to be saved in. If you're scanning a PDF file with multiple pages, you can click on PDF, combine into single document, so you can scan multiple pages, and as long as you don't change this name over here, every page will go in the same document. I'll select JPEG. And at the end, press the scan button. Now, depending how fast your scanner is, it may take 12 seconds, as maybe it will take a minute. So I'll wait a few seconds. It's currently scanning. And at the end, I will get the scan results, the confirmation, and on my desktop, it should be over here. Let me search for it. Here we go. That's the file I just scanned. You can zoom in just to make sure that there's enough details. And yeah, this is about it. This is how you connect, you print, and you scan using a printer and your MacBook Neo. If this was helpful, leave a thumbs up. Check my Amazon links down below if you want to get accessories that are compatible with the Neo, like USB drive, cases, and much more. And I'll see you in the next video.